Today, we're going to be learning how to add a debit card to our Venmo account. So you're going to see our little phone screen pop up right over here, and then we're going to have you follow along for step-by-step instructions. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to hit these three options at the top right corner of our screen to bring up the options. From there, we're going to go to Settings. You'll see the little gear and cog symbol there. Once we click on that, we're going to go to Payment Methods. You'll see it as the second option in our settings. From here, we're going to go down to the option where it says Add Bank or Card. Just a reminder, if you need to, you can always add another bank account, a debit card, or a credit card. For this case, we're going to be adding a debit card. One important thing to keep in mind here is, as you can see, if you add a credit card, there is a 3% fee for sending money. However, with a debit card, there is no fee for purchases or payments. So again, for this example, we're going to be adding a debit card. So click on the card option, and here you're going to add in your card details. And once we have all of that information added accurately, we're going to go ahead and hit the add button. And just like that, you have a new debit card added to your Venmo account. Next, we're going to show you how to add money to your Venmo account. So I would love for you to click this link right here for our next video. Thank you so much. My name is Eddie, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.